Best Buy puts GeForce RTX 30 cards behind a paywall. Scalpers rejoice.
What does that mean?
Exclusive access event. Purchase is currently limited to members with access to this event. Who has access? Oh, I don't know. Best Buy Total Tech members. Oh, how much does that cost? $199 a year?
That's more rude than the NFTs.
Wow.
By introducing its $200 a year premium membership program called Total Tech, customers have access to a special protection program, 24/7 tech support, or even Apple Core Plus. Wait, is that supposed to be
Apple Core?
Somebody having a joke there. I think somebody's having a laugh right there. Which on its own is quite expensive. However, Total Tech also brings access to exclusive Total Tech member prices. Oh, baby.
That's rude.
Best Buy is an exclusive reseller of Nvidia GeForce RTX 30 Founders Edition cards in the US. For this reason, by putting a new shipment of graphics cards exclusively for Total Tech members, Nvidia Founders Edition cards should now technically have a new MSRP because yesterday, Total Tech membership was required for purchase. Woo! So if I'm a reseller, I pay the $199. I'm going to make it back on one card, and I get them all at retail instead of markup. Oh, so now you know the regular customer is pissed.
Yeah, that's rude.
In the end, some people bought as many as 7 different cards, including custom editions. One would find it hard to believe that even after 2 years of inflated GPU pricing, anyone needs 7 cards right now. It's the dirty little secret. Those stinking miners. Yeah, Nvidia's counting the cash. Nvidia is counting the cash either way, right? No matter
just top
where.
Apple? Or sorry, Facebook?
Oh, you have been watching Lou
I've been watching.
You have
Come
been.
on.
Yeah, because there's no way you knew that without this show right here.
When I heard that, I thought about those graph videos that are really popular. You know, it's like over the last 10 years, the most, you know, the biggest companies, and you see the bar graphs change. I thought about that. I was like, this is a moment in one of those videos. Nvidia jumps over Facebook.
There you go.
Yeah.
History.
Yeah.
Historical moment. How do you guys feel about this in general, though? Like a premium membership that grants you access, first dibs on sought after items in general. Like never mind the graphics cards, or because
Could it be like just one per customer?
So okay, so
you can't buy 7 like special edition.
So
GPUs.
maybe that's a problem. Maybe
rude,
that's a problem with their system right now.
Sure.
But I'm saying in general, you pay a yearly premium because like Amazon does Prime. They're like better shipping, better treatment, better guy. We're cool now. You're a Prime guy.
Who says that?
That's
Bezos?
what Jeff. Yeah. What are you talking about? He's
On his yacht.
As he's disassembling the bridge in Rotterdam.
He's Italian.
He's Bezolini. Anyway,
yeah, no, it's rude, man. It's rude. It's rude.
But hang on a second. Can we not make a case
Rude
like
in general.
You're paying for a service with
but
Prime.
all
You're
kinds
paying
of
for
people have
shipment.
memberships where they get some sort of discount.
But-
Are you a member?
Yeah, but not
Oh, let
for...
me ask you this, Mr. Costco. What exactly is happening?
You got me on the Costco.
But you can't buy
a
anything
hypocrite.
from Costco without a membership.
Exactly.
I just upgraded my
but
Costco
in order
membership.
to but the membership
Premium.
grants you access to whatever special items that or deals that they have.
Sheesh, you
But
really
it's the
got
whole
me on that
store,
one.
right?
Checkmate.
It's a whole store.
Of course, but I'm
Yeah.
saying it's the concept for that's been employed at a whole store level, but it's the same concept here. Best Buy saying you're going to have access to things that you wouldn't otherwise have access to by becoming a member. I understand what you're saying. It's not the whole store. Maybe it's more difficult for people to understand, but forget about Best Buy. Let's say a store existed that was going to get shipments for whatever is people really wanted, let's say GPUs, except in order to have access, you paid the premium. Is there anything wrong with that?
I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. Like, I think the limit is the problem. You can't buy 10 or 20 at a time.
What?
And it also doesn't mean that someone who registers to this membership, they can just go buy the thing and then cancel the membership.
Probably not.
Why not?
I would assume it's a yearly commitment.
Yeah, you're 200.
Oh yeah,
bucks just
you
to
pay
get it.
200 and then
Yeah, you're in it for the whole year. So I mean, I think they think that over the course of that year, you're going to get value out of it, and then
sure.
And then you're going to continue it.
That's like predatory, don't you think?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know, man. Like, look, okay, let me just break down. I'm going to sell it to you right now. Okay, $199 gives you 24 months of warranty on anything that you buy. So 2 years instead of 1. You get free delivery, so you never pay for shipments again. I mean, obviously Amazon already does that.
Okay.
You're selling Kirk.
No, because I'm saying if there's a service you're buying,
you get an
but just to
extended. Hang on a
unlock-
second. You get an extended 60-day return window instead of 30. You get free shipping and you get access to member prices.
You know,
For $200, if you buy a lot of tech,
Yeah, it would fit someone.
And you know what? This is the way the video games do it. Like we're talking about video games and skins and season passes and free to play. This is the way they do it. You buy the pass for the month, you get access to the skins. It's rude. I'm gonna say it's rude.
I don't know.
But you also got me with the Costco thing. So
I don't know, man.
I'm
Like anything you
less
get, anything
angry
you get at
about it.
Costco, you could get elsewhere or some other form of it.
yeah. I mean, you could get
you
graphics
can't-
cards somewhere else, but
you
yeah, like you could theoretically.
GPUs, you could just pay more.
Yeah, you theoretically.
Yeah, you could pay more, but but you're not gonna get the Kirkland.
GPU.
I just realized your name is Kirk as well.
That's right, man. You just realized that?
No, when I
You just realized
because
that?
Costco's exclusive brand
Kirkland. Yeah.
is Kirkland, and you're
Yeah.
Kirk.
Yeah. I got Kirkland muffins. I got Kirkland batteries. I got Kirkland.
Wow. How does that work for you?
It's less of a thing because my last name is Holmes, so I get the Sherlock a lot,
No.
and I get the Captain Kirk.
No.
quite often.
No
No one makes fun of me for
I'm
Kirkland.
not talking about making fun.
What are you talking about?
I'm
What are
saying
you
when
asking?
it's sitting on your counter, Kirkland.
I like it.
So you have. So
I'm out there
do you
repping.
get-
I'm repping. With the
Mo's
muffin.
with me. Mo's with me right
I'm
now.
repping it.
You have all these Kirkland items,
Yeah, yeah.
and you're Kirk.
And I feel great. I feel like I feel amazing. These are my muffins. These are my batteries. Let's go.
Would you say that you're more inclined to purchase that brand?
No.
Less.
Yeah, I actually don't have anything Kirkland, but
Ooh,
maybe now the muffins.
The truth
the
comes
muffins.
out.
You know the muffins. The muffins
Screw
are
you,
great.
Kirkland. I'm the original Kirkland.
You're giving me a bad name, Kirkland. Okay, I'm more than just a muffin.
Yes,
You see?
I am the king of Kirkland.
Yes. Yeah.
You're
Yes.
master of my own land, the land of Kirk.
Like, honey,
a
who you're
beer.
talking to?
Mo, crack a beer and play that game.
He's just in the kitchen.
Why are you shouting at the muffins, honey?
No lights on in the nighttime in the
There
kitchen.
can only be one king of Kirkland.
I'm just smashing them.
Having his own Game of Thrones episode.
Yeah.
But you don't say it.
Will's dissatisfied with the finale?
You don't say it Kirkland or Kirkland. You say Kirkland.
No, I know. I'm having fun.
Oh
You ever heard
Fun.
of fun before?
no, having fun.
Remember, I told you it's perfectly safe.
Having fun is rude.